Hi there, Prairie Plant Girl here. Today I'm cleaning out raised bed number 4. So this is my last bed other than a couple of beds of potatoes, and I thought you might like to see what I'm pulling out at the end of September. So come along and let's check it out. So I've already pulled up a few carrots here. I can't remember when I planted them, but I'll double check. I don't even know if I've written down. I think it was in August, so they've been in there a few months now. So that's a small selection there. And then a few left here under the parsnips. So I'm gonna, not under the parsnips, under the parsnip leaves here. So get those out of my way. Not sure why they're so short. I don't think I was putting a lot of water on them, but they don't seem to have grown to any size. But they're nice and fat. They'll be nice little bunching carrots. They're coming out really nice. And these ones bigger, they don't want to come out. Oh, that one has 2 legs. Couple there that must have hit a pocket of some extra fertilizer or something, a little bit extra root covered, but overall it's a pretty nice little bunch of carrots there for late planting here anyway. I'm going to take those in the house, and then I'll come out and have some parsnips, and there's beets on the other side, so we'll see what they look like. And I think that's all for this bed. nice sized parsnips there. Pretty good haul. And I picked the last of the beets out too, and there's some nice ones in there too. Got a few little piddly ones from both, and I just threw those in the compost, but that's pretty good. I'm happy with that harvest, and now this bed's pretty much cleaned out. I can do some trench composting in it. I'll have tomatoes, I believe, next year. And the garden is really close to done now, just potatoes left. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.